Hello, my dear friend. We will first take stock of the spare parts when we receive the equipment. The equipment mainly consists of a column, main board, cabinet body, light circuit brake, monitor bracket, power cable, screw package. Complementary tools include a ruler, expander, U-disc, test card, and foot pedal. As the first step, we install the column. Step 1. Install the column. We place the column in the marked wireframe and fix it with 4 screws. Step 2. Install the circuit breaker. We will place the circuit breaker on the column with a marked line corresponding to it. Fix the screws. Step 3. Install the bracket and fix it with 2 screws. Step 4. Install the screen, which is fixed by 4 screws. Step 5. Install the screen plug with 2 screws rotating to secure it. Step 6. Install the power cord with 3 3-hole plugs. There is a 3-hole plug to distinguish the direction. Insert it over and rotate it to fix it. Step 7. Install the footrest with notches that distinguish the direction, corresponding insertion fixing. Once all the above has been installed, the device can be started by plugging in the power supply. This is the overall effect of the equipment when it has been installed.